Lights.
Okay, now.
MHOGs. We got our final interview here with Heather and Aaron. I think Aaron was talking about something about we'll be looking back on these in time and they'll be saying that there's one weird parent. Is that what you said?
I never said such a thing.
Which one is the weird parent? Yeah, probably me, probably this guy here. So we are now in Wagoner, Oklahoma. We've had a wonderful experience, a wonderful trip through the weekend. What was maybe a highlight? What do you guys think?
I think I like the devil's part, the little turns and everything.
Devil's Den.
That was fun. A little nerve-wracking, of course.
Yeah.
I'm still fairly new at this, but
you did it, man. You did a really nice job. Those curves are tight through there.
I'm not done with this trip yet, so I won't say this. I haven't felt yet, but
he hasn't dropped his bike.
Shit,
I've dropped mine. But Dudley is doing great. He hasn't dropped a bike in like almost a
actually,
year.
It has been a couple trips that I've been.
It has been a couple trips. Been doing good. So fantastic. Heather,
what's your favorite part? Come on.
what's some of your favorite part?
I just like relaxing on the back of the bike and not having to do anything.
No, that is kind of.
That's a win.
That is a win. Yeah, you know, there's definitely
Out.
a little. There was kind of a little bit of a cop out, but I think it was Heather at the spoons, and she was like machine gun drilling the spoons.
Yeah,
she definitely beat a lot of people, so she maybe just smidge competitive. She did like knee Aaron in the midsection and kicked him out of the way, so that way she could win. He'll be trying to put some ice on that, trying to get some improvement here soon. So, but
I don't know, it's the rough part of life. I was like, I don't really mean I like it rough, like in games as well.
yeah,
But,
right.
whatever.
Just only, you know, maybe.
Oh, is that too? Is that
maybe in
TMI?
different times. So, all right, we are now going to finalize. We are heading back to the pool. We are really close. We're going to head through Leonard and get ourselves to the back way. They're going to go a different way because I got a different place to live. So, but we're not going to name what that is on video because we don't put that obviously out in the hemisphere. But appreciate you watching. MHOGs of Glenpool. Subscribe, like, and tell us what you think. See you on the other side.
All right.
Second take, since the whole entire first take did not go because I didn't hit the record button. That kind of sucks. But we are now in the city of Wagoner, Oklahoma, home of some really damn good football. They've won quite a few state championships here lately. They have some players that gone through 1 and 2 as well. But also really kind of known as the city that takes you to quite a bit of the lakes here in Oklahoma. We went over to the Gibson Lake area. And it's been a pretty amazing trip. We're really close to getting home. We're going to take one more pit stop before we get home, so that way everybody can rest it up, make sure that they're safe, and not have any issues. We're going to take the south side out of Weta and head over the Arkansas River so we can go through the winter and not have to go through the big speed traffic. When we get back to the house, we'll get Shannon and I's final thoughts. So thanks for everybody being a part of our experiences. We appreciate you, and can't wait to be able to put quite a bit of these videos out there for everybody.
Just get to it.
Okay.
Okay. Oklahoma. No. Well, we're back. We have finally made it back home. And man, what an amazing adventure. It was absolutely, just go from the very beginning with rain and fog and clouds and up in the hills, up in the mountains, and then down in the valleys. And, it's just been an excellent adventure. And so, I just wanted to first say thank you to the Mild Hogs. All of us that were able to go together on this trip was fantastic. And so the time that we get to spend together, it makes memories. It's memories for a lifetime. And I just can't thank all of you enough for having us a part of your lives and being able to go through this adventure and this experience together. So, if I were to say something that was my high, and I've talked about it throughout the entire piece, it is definitely the camaraderie that all of us have together. But, watching the competitive spirit and spoons was probably one of the best highlights. And I'll be excited to be able to put that in the video. You'll probably see that in maybe a couple videos before this one. But that was definitely one of my highs. And then, I don't know that I had a low. I mean, even though we had rain and stuff, it never really impacted the trip. I guess if there was a low, it's just
Coming to an end.
Just coming to an end. It always kind of sucks to have to come back to life and reality life. But it's always awesome and amazing to be able to go jump into these, experiences together. So I'll kind of turn it over to you as you're yawning again when we do these closing videos. So what is on your mind? What did you really enjoy? Yeah, you have almost every time when we close.
Well, I'm tired.
I think we all get tired on these trips for sure. But love to kind of share what was your thoughts of the trip.
It was fun. That's the third time we've been to kind of that area.
Yeah.
For us,
Yeah.
not for some of the others.
Yep.
The roads are so pretty there. It's just real relaxing,
Yeah.
obviously.
She did not fall asleep in the
did not
back
fall
of the
asleep this
motorcycle.
time
It
on
is
any-
now while we're trying to finalize on
Yeah.
the last video, but that's okay.
Yeah,
That's
no.
all right.
Getting to play games with everybody at the cabins last night was fun. Those were cute little cabins. They were rustic, but not really. I mean, they still had amenities, but they were,
It was amazing.
kind of
Yeah,
rustic,
it's
but
good.
not. But yeah, they were so nice.
Had a hot tub. We
Did
didn't
have
do
a hot
that.
tub. We didn't have.
Wanted to, but we
I'm
didn't
mad
do
at
that.
myself that I did not bring a swimsuit because
Yeah.
I would have gotten into it. But yeah, just everybody getting to hang out together. When we're all together, that's when we have the most fun. I feel like. I mean, we have fun on the bikes, but like it's when we're sitting around.
Yep.
Like at the end of the night or the beginning of the day, eating breakfast or whatever we're doing. Those are my favorite times.
Yeah, the coffee times.
Yeah, coffee
The coffee
times are
times
great.
are the great times too, as well. You kind of just
Some
get
real
el natural
philosophical things
yeah,
that happen.
el natural times together, and so it really brings out, I think, the best in all of us. And so, it's just been a wonderful adventure, and I'm so excited that we're going to have more adventures in front of us and more videos too as well. So, as always, we just want you to let us know what you think. Give us some thoughts. Put some ideas or thoughts in there that you maybe.
If there's somewhere you want us to go.
Yeah, want to go. Like that would be really cool to get to hear.
Somewhere
from
you want to see, but you want us to go there first and find out all the
Yeah.
things.
Yeah, we'd love to do that. And so, Mile Dogs of Glenpool,
Like and subscribe.
and come follow us, ride with us. Thank you so much.